Outside of El Shaddai Church, and we got Pastor Kenneth over there, and we're building our first soda. It's going to be a little building so that they can make barbecue tacos, and we're going to build a fire pit over there, and then that's going to be covered with this thing right here. So this is the first project in Costa Rica. We made the bricks, and there's Pastor Fernando and Jaime, Pastor Mickey Cartagena, and we also have Alejandro, Primero construction guy, and so we got Alejandro. He's the jefe here. Jefe, todo sentado. This is Jim and Lynn McCood, Kingdom Transition Ministries, and this is the starting point for just a little demo that we're going to take you through about a brick machine that God has put in our hands. And but we wanted to start here because this is what it's all about. It's about people. It's about reaching people in ways that demonstrate the love of God. Get in the shot here, Lynn. Get in the shot here real quick.
Are you four?
Cinco. Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Is su mom? Just get an overall shot of the whole community. So what we do is we take a backhoe and we dig this area out, and I don't have a picture of a backhoe, but you can imagine, you can see that this is a backhoe that's been digging this, and then we take the backhoe and put it into a dump truck, and then we take the dump truck of dirt and haul it to our brick construction site, which is about 3 miles from here. But this is where it starts, right with the dirt here. And we got this dirt free, but the trucking and the backhoe costs some money, but this is where it all starts to make your brick. Recording? Okay. Okay, so now what we do is we have to screen the soil. So we have the screening the soil here to take all the rocks and stuff. And the screening is about 1/4 inch. So we screen the soil, and that's the next step in the process. So we do that. Stop for a second. You get the shot. Okay, and then the next step is we take the filtered soil and we put it in this mortar mixer. And these are the guys taking the soil and putting it in the mortar mixture. And the mixture that we use is a certain percentage of soil, which is about 90% soil and 10% cement. So instead of using a lot of cement, this mixture with the compression combines to give a very strong brick, but also makes it very cost effective. If you don't have a mortar mixer, you have to do this all by hand. God supernaturally brought this mortar mixer to us for free from a group from World Vision who used it for another construction project, and so we're blessed with this. And if you see the capacity of this mortar mixer, you could actually make about 35 bricks from the fully loaded mortar mixer. We'll show you the brick machine in just a moment. And then we have the soil. We have the soil added. There's 90% soil, and we combine it with only 10% cement. And it's pure cement. It's not a bunch of other rocks or mixture in there. It's a pure cement called Portland cement. And the cement here in Costa Rica and other Central American, South American countries is very expensive. And so God blessed us with this technology to bring some very strong bricks for building applications that are very cost effective. And this is Alejandro. Get a shot of Alejandro and his son Jason. He's helping us out with this project, and he's doing an awesome job. He's our construction lead for this project. Okay, and then one more step in the process is you have to also put some level of sand in the mixture, and it's adding a little bit of sand to this mixture. You also screen the sand just like the soil. You can see the screener that we built. All the screens, all the equipment that you see here was built by Alejandro. We designed it, picked up all the materials as low the price as we could, and built all of this equipment ourselves. So they add that into the mortar mixture with the dirt. And then the mortar mixer just mixes that all in. It's got paddles that just mix this continually and dry with the mixture. Kind of like a cake mixture where you add eggs and water to it. You just need to add a little bit of water, and you'll see the mixture as it comes out. It looks like a cake mixture with just an egg in it, but only very little bit of water is required, and you'll see that in just a moment. Now, the other thing about these bricks is that you don't need to fire them, you don't need to cook them, bake them. You compress them with the soil and the cement, and it gives you a brick that's 3 times harder than a normal brick. Itself, put the soil into that container there. It makes 240 bricks an hour, and we're going to get a shot of this up close so you can take a look at it. It's got a motor, gasoline motor, and a compressor that compresses the soil and the cement combination to 3,000 pounds of pressure, and makes a very fine quality brick. Outside of El Shaddai Church, and we got Pastor Kenneth over there, and we're building our first soda. It's going to be a little building so that they can make barbecue tacos, and we're going to build a fire pit over there.